Hello and welcome back to my new video. In today's video, I will tell you 3 very important equipments you must have if you want to survive in 2021. As you people know that COVID-19 is spreading so fastly and it is totally influencing everyone. Let me clear you that COVID-19 is not an uncurable disease. You can prevent COVID-19 by taking some precautions and using some Let me tell you, COVID-19 is not uncurable. You can prevent from COVID-19 only by taking few precautionary measures. I will tell you 3 very important equipments you must have if you want to check either you have COVID-19 symptoms or not. First one, I will tell you about an equipment that is finger pulse oximeter. This is finger pulse oximeter, and this is very important if you want to know if you have COVID-19 or not. What is the purpose of this fingertip pulse oximeter? Let me elaborate. This equipment basically used to check blood saturation, oxygen saturation in our blood. And you must check 3 times in a day with this pulse oximeter because oxygen saturation is very important to check, and this is the very highlighting symptom of the COVID-19. If you can use it, let me tell you how to use pulse oximeter. Firstly, you have to see this properly and see there is a gap. You have to place your finger in this gap, and it is not necessary कि आप सिर्फ कोई एक स्पेसिफिक फिंगर इसमें प्लेस कर सकते हैं, बट आपने कोई भी अपनी फिंगर लेनी है जो इसके अंदर इजीली फिक्स हो जाए. वो आपकी इंडेक्स फिंगर भी हो सकती है, आपकी मिडिल फिंगर भी हो सकती है. आपने ऐसे करके उसके अंदर इसको प्लेस करना है अपनी फिंगर को और यहाँ से इसको ऑन कर देना है. एंड आप मेक श्योर कि आपका जो ये पल्स ऑक्सीमीटर है ये स्टेबल हो, एंड इसकी रीडिंग आप चेक कर सकते हैं. ये मेजरमेंट लेना स्टार्ट हो गया है. आपने मेक श्योर कर लेना है कि आपके किसी भी नेल के ऊपर कोई भी नेल प्लेट ना हो, एंड आपका नेल ब्रोकन भी ना हो. कि आप देख सकते हैं इसके ऊपर रीडिंग ये रीडिंग लेना स्टार्ट हो गया. पल्स ऑक्सीमीटर बेसिकली ऑक्सीजन की सैचुरेशन ब्लड के अंदर कैलकुलेट करता है और हमारा पल्स रेट को भी बताता है. ये अभी इसमें थोड़ी सी चेंजेस आ रही हैं. 105 पल्स रेट आया है मेरा, और मेरी ब्लड सैचुरेशन जो है, ऑक्सीजन सैचुरेशन जो है वो 99 है. जो नॉर्मल ब्लड में ऑक्सीजन सैचुरेशन होती है वो 95 to 100 तक होती है, तो इट्स नॉर्मल. एंड पल्स रेट इज़ बिट हाई. पल्स रेट नॉर्मली 95 तक होना चाहिए, 99 तक होना चाहिए, बट इट्स ऑल्सो नॉर्मल 109. इट्स नॉट टू मच एबनॉर्मल. So you must check thrice in a day your oxygen saturation and your pulse rate, and you must note these values so that any of the nurse who is taking care of you will very important. So let's talk about second very important equipment, that is thermometer. This is a conventional thermometer. You can use any other thermometer. Okay, thermometer is usually used to check the body temperature. You must check thrice in a day that your body temperature is rising or not. Okay, and that is the second equipment you must have. And the third equipment is BP operator. This is BP operator, and you must check your BP regularly, and you must note your blood pressure values. And if you are noticing that your blood pressure is going very low, below 80, then you must seek some medical precautions. You must consult a doctor in emergency. And if you are having any kind of dark urination, or if your blood saturation is less than 95, oxygen saturation is less than 95, and your heart rate is very high, and your body temperature is rising more than 110 for 3 days consecutive, then you must it's very important for you to go to a doctor in emergent situation. This was all about in today's video. I'll tell about 3 must-have equipments. Hope you people like this video and you are going to buy these equipments, and you must place this on the side table of your bed. And I know some of your friend or some of your colleague may be suffering from COVID-19, and I pray that they get better soon. But you must share this video with those people, because this is very important for them. If you really care about them, you must share this video with your friends or family or any relative. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, and thank you.